Sometimes we need to share a web page with someone, whether it's something funny we saw online that we think they'd enjoy, or just a product page like this. So when you want to share a link to a website, you can either make it look like this, which is kind of ugly and messy, or like this, which is nice and tidy. It's very easy to do this no matter what kind of computer you're on or what kind of email you use. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. So there's 3 steps. The first one is to copy the address of the link that you want to share. So I'm going to go to a website, one of our most popular videos on how to check if your Gmail is full, and we're going to get the address of this web page so that we can share it. So on YouTube, they happen to have a share button right here. If I click that, it'll pop up a window that lets me copy. That's actually the address of this web page, so I can copy it from here. But most web pages don't have that. So if you don't have a share button or an option of copying the website address so easily, just click in the address bar up here at the top of the screen. One click, it's all selected. You can see that it's all blue. And I can then Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a window to copy it. Or I also have the option of going to the Edit menu over here and clicking Copy. Either way, my computer is now remembering the address of that website, and I can close this all up because I don't need it. Step 2 is to create the email, or in some cases a document, that you want to put the link into. The process is really similar regardless of what kind of email you use. So let's take a look in Apple Mail. Now the email's written, so I'm just going to click and drag over the text that I want to be what it says, and then I have to link that to the address by clicking Edit and Add Link. A little window pops up, and in here I'm going to paste the address we copied before using either Command-V on a Mac or Control-V on a Windows computer. And there, it's done. Oh, I need a little space in here in between the words, but my link is finished. So all we did was write the text of the email, select the text that was going to become the link, and add a link to the address we wanted it to go to. Now in Gmail and most other emails, this works a little bit differently. I create my email, and then instead of writing the text first, I can click right here on the link button, and it gives me 2 boxes to fill in, both the text to display, so this video, and a place for the address that we copied before to go. So I'm going to Command-V or Control-V to paste the address in here, and it's all done. So that's a little bit different because both the text of the link and the link itself are created together. So no matter what email you use, you're basically creating a piece of text that will look nice and then connecting it as a hyperlink to an address on the web. The process is very similar. Even the icons are very similar, whether you're using AOL or Outlook or Yahoo. And there's just one last little thing I want to show you. Once you've created your hyperlink, your link in your email, with the nice text and everything looks pretty and you're ready to send it, it's a good idea to test the link and make sure that it's actually going where you want it to before you send the email. So let's take a look at this in Yahoo. Here I am creating the link. I put in the text I want it to go to, and I put in the address of the site. And I can test that link and make sure that it's actually going to the place I intended. Usually a good idea before you send your email. That's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching, and feel free to leave comments below, like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe.